Hey everyone, I'm Adarsh, and I recently finished the car designing course from IntrnForte. I took this course because I've always been into automobiles. I'm an aspiring motorsport engineer, and I've really wanted to understand how car structures work and are designed in computer-aided software. The course had a nice mix of video lectures, assignments, quizzes, and projects. The videos were clear and helped me learn all the tools and the commands in CATIA, um, from the basic sketches to full 3D modeling and drafting. One of my favorite parts was the projects, where I actually got to build CAD models of different car components like pistons, heads, and connecting rods. It felt really great to apply everything that I'd learned. The biggest challenge for me was, of course, mastering the tools from CATIA, especially when features would fail or assemblies wouldn't line up properly. But once you get the hang of it, the whole process does really become fun. Overall, the course gave me a much deeper understanding of car structures and computer-aided design. And I'm really thankful to the IntrnForte team and staff for putting together such a solid learning experience. Thank you.